These 5 ingredients transformed my hair. No joke. This is literally the secret to how thick my hair is now. I mean, look at what my hair used to look like. Can you see all that see-through? This recipe will also grow back your edges. If you're suffering from dry hair, this remedy got you. And what about shedding? If you're suffering from excessive shedding, using this remedy consistently is going to reduce shedding drastically. Now, without too much talk, let me show you all the amazing ingredients and how to make it. So, in a clean jar, the first ingredient we are going to be putting in is fenugreek seed. You see those tiny seeds? They are super powerful. Don't joke with it too. Fenugreek seed is actually rich in protein and nicotinic acid that helps to strengthen the hair strand from the roots, okay? So it helps to reduce hair thinning and breakage. And it also contains a very powerful ingredient called lecithin, which helps to, moisturize your hair naturally. So if you're dealing with dryness, you're dealing with hair that lacks moisture all the time, incorporating fenugreek seed is going to help to not only thicken your hair but also take care of the issue of dryness. And that is also because fenugreek seed has a mucilage in it. So guys, in my container I added 1 tablespoon. Now the second ingredient that you don't want to joke with is hibiscus flower. This hibiscus flower, we call it zobo in Nigeria. It is something we use to make food drink. Who would believe that this hibiscus flower is also super rich in nutrients that will mightily help to nourish your hair and thicken your hair naturally? And yes, I am not joking. These baddies right here are rich in amino acid and vitamin C, which helps to support strong thick hair strands, okay? It also encourages the growth of dormant follicles, helping to make your hair grow fuller. So if you feel like your edges, your follicles are dormant, then this hibiscus flower is going to wake up dormant follicles and help your hair to grow thicker from the root. So I'm just showing you how many that I added, okay? I added like 6 flowers, and then I joined all the pieces together and call it 7. So let's say 7 flowers. Now the next ingredient on my list is rosemary. Like, this recipe will not be complete without rosemary. You all, like, I've been using rosemary since I decided to take my hair seriously, and my hair has never been the same, okay? Now, if you feel like your hair is not growing or your hair is thinning out, then you need a boost of circulation or stimulation to your scalp, and that is what rosemary does, okay? It helps to stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, and this in turn promotes faster, thicker hair growth. Now, it also helps to regenerate damaged nerves in the scalp, okay? And it helps to reduce shedding and balding naturally. So using rosemary consistently is going to help. And did you know that rosemary was compared to minoxidil, an over-the-counter medicine that has been used for long to regrow hair? And do you know what they found out? That people who used rosemary oil, their hair grew out naturally without any side effects, and at the same rate with minoxidil, even better. So guys, I added 1 tablespoon of my rosemary. And now my 4th ingredient is moringa. This is another body that has been working wonders for my hair in the last few months, okay? Since last year when I started using this ingredient, my hair has changed. Like, I've used it to make oil, make butter, and so many things. Hold on, let me share some amazing benefits with you. So moringa is packed with zinc, iron, and omega-3 fatty acid, all which are essential for a healthy hair follicles, okay? It also helps to strengthen your weak hair and supports cell renewal in the scalp. Moringa also contains vitamin A and vitamin B complex, which boost hair growth and thickness, okay? So it helps to prevent dry hair and dandruff due to its hydrating properties. Have you ever soaked moringa before? Even the moringa powder, if you soak it for a while and then you squeeze it, you're going to notice that the water is not just plain liquid. It has a little mucilage. When I discovered it, I was shocked. So try moringa today if your hair is breaking. Or better still, Try this whole combo at once. Now the last ingredient, or the last but not the least, is onion. This one is the apple of my heart actually, but the smell is so bad. However, the benefits of this, when you start using it, you're going to give your testimonies if you can condone the smell. But you know the best part, combining all these things together, you will not even feel any atom of smell of this onion. Isn't it a miracle? Now, onions helps to improve volume and shine, especially when you use it often. I mean, when you use it like 2 to 3 times in a week, okay? Onions also help to reduce thinning hair and patchy spots. Like if you have patchy spots on your scalp, onion will help you. Use it regularly and you will see. It also helps to fight scalp infections that may hinder hair growth, okay? And the best for me is that it is super rich in salt for you all. Like, this is all amazing. And now I'm going to combine all the ingredients in one jar, and the next thing is to add my hot water. Alright my loves, please I encourage that you use hot water to infuse this ingredient, okay, so that you'll be able to release all the nutrients. Alright, better still, you can actually boil it. If you boil it, you're going to release a lot more nutrients. However, if you boil it too much, you're going to still kill some of the nutrients, and that is why, to be on a safe side, I just love to infuse my jejeje. The next day, look at how beautiful it is looking. The color has changed. And guys, when I tell you that this combo, oh my god, like a trial will convince you. All right, try it and let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, so I'm going to strain it now. So I mix everything together. Please mix it together so that you'll be able to, you know, combine everything properly, and then I'm going to strain it. Don't use a sieve. Use a chiffon cloth, a mesh cloth, to strain this thing, okay? And when you're pressing it, you're going to notice how thick how rich this recipe is. So I'm going to squeeze and squeeze, and as I'm squeezing, I'm feeling that slime on my palm, and that is how you know that this is going to deal with your dry hair. Like, no joke, this recipe is going to keep your hair moisturized for a long time, okay? Now I love to add tea tree essential oil to my ingredients, to my recipes, okay? And this is because tea tree is essential for, you know, scalp health too. So I added a few drops of tea tree, guys, please don't mind my tongue, essential oils into my recipe, and now I'm going to transfer it into an applicator bottle. Don't go anywhere. I am actually going to share with you how to use this recipe to see the best results. All right, so as you can see, I got a full, I think this spray bottle is 250, so I got a full 250 ml, and I can bet that the one that is remaining will also be up to 200 or 150 ml too. So this is what our recipe looks like. When I tell you that this is a game changer, I'm not even joking with you. All right guys, so I'm going to demonstrate with you how I use it. Don't mind me. In this part, I was just talking and talking and talking. It was when I was editing that I realized how but I tried to cut out some major part of it, okay? So to use this treatment, my loves, please, this treatment is actually safe to use every day, right? But I will not tell you to use it every day. I will encourage that you use it every 3 times in a week. If you can use it every other day, better, depending on what you are going for. What is your issue? If it's dryness, maybe your hair is always dry, then use this like 2 or 3 times in a week, okay? Then use it to moisturize your hair 2 or 3 times, and follow up with your leave-in conditioner or just your butter to seal your hair, and then oil your scalp. If you do this, I tell you, in less than 1 month, you're going to notice that your hair begins to retain moisture much better. And I'm not joking, okay? Now, the second part to use this, if you're experiencing issues with your edges, if you have patch areas where you want to regrow, any bald spots, areas of concern, use this every single day. Okay, no cap. Use this every single day on those areas where you want to regrow. All right, and then massage, follow up with massaging those areas, and within 4 to 6 weeks you're going to start seeing results. You're going to start seeing new growth. Now, if you want to use this to grow your hair generally, you can use it every other day or 3 times in a week. Okay, follow up with massaging your scalp, follow up with sealing your moisture. Okay, now while this is a moisturizer, it can actually still leave your hair dry over time because it has strengthening herbs in it. Okay, so that is why you're going to moisturize your hair afterwards, like properly seal your hair. You can actually use only butter or grease if you don't want to go ahead and apply a leave-in conditioner again. No problem, just use your hair growth butter or your hair growth pomade and seal your hair strands, and that is what I used in this video. And then use your oil on your scalp, massage your scalp. You're going to start noticing your hair begin to grow bushy in just a few months, guys. There is no cap. And if you want to use it for general, let me use it and hydrate my hair, you can use it twice a week. Okay, twice a week is okay. So guys, what do you think about this treatment? Have you tried it before? Will you be trying it? If you have anyone who is going through hair issues that needs this treatment, please share this video with them. Okay, you might be helping a soul. And to store this treatment, please keep it in your fridge for 7 days. Make sure that you have a steady power supply. Now, the one that remained that did not enter into my spray bottle, I left it in my freezer. It's going to be there until when I finish using up the one in the fridge, then I will transfer. And guess what? This treatment is for all my household except my husband, of course. It works, guys, it works. And I want you to try it and let me know what you think in the comment section. I love you guys so much. Can you tell that I am excited sharing this video because I know that this recipe is amazing. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All right, subscribe to my channel for more content such as this. If you have any questions, any concern, let me know in the comment section. I got you. And until I come your way next time, my name is Favor. Please take care of your amazing self and bye. Mwah.